today I think this is the last unboxing. I'm doing them all in one go. So this is from Replenix. Like always, this is free, not paid video, whatever. So yay, I love their brand. So let's see what they sent me today. Damn, 3 full-size products. Damn, I just received the cream from them. I don't need anything right now when it comes to skincare. So oh, this is body lotion, Discoloration. This is new. So this is glycolic acid, 15% resurfacing body lotion. Alright, so if you have discoloration on your body, you're gonna like this one. This is good for that, it says. So I don't think I have that issue in my face, yes, but I don't know. I'll still try it out, maybe. I don't know. Oh, it's not focusing. I'm still using their anti-aging body lotion. So let me smell it. Let me see. Oh, it has this thingy. If not, I'll probably give it away. If this, it smells like the traditional Replenix creams that they always have. It's nice. So, yeah, I don't think I need this. I don't think I have this issue. So I don't know. So the next thing that they sent me is what I feel like I already received this before. I don't know if I'm tripping out. This is Discoloration glycolic acid, 10% resurfacing peel. I feel like I already have these pads. I'm not sure, but I think I'm gonna give this away too because I think I already have it. I don't need it. So, but this is how it looks. The ingredients. So their whole line is cruelty free. Cruelty free. This is the Discoloration line. So if you have those things, skin issues, you might like this line. So yeah, the last thing they sent me is a cream. So it's the same thing, the same ingredients, the same line. Basically you use all of these together at once kind of thing. So I wonder if they have that cleanser. I feel like I already have it, or no, I have their, like this one I have that I've used is their pigment correcting cream, which I need because I have like pigment. So this one I do need and I do use, and it's a small bottle. So it's from the same line. So if y'all are interested in buying their products, I don't think I have a discount code. No, never mind. But let's see, what else do I have from their line? Let me see. It's because they have like a sensitive line, like acne line, anti-aging line. This one, Discoloration line. They have like different lines specifically geared for certain skin types. So wait, let me see. What if I have something that's similar? Like, yeah, I think that was the only thing that I have that's from the same line. That this is nice. My skin didn't react bad with this. I didn't notice a difference, but because I change skincare frequently, or I don't use it like for a very specific long time, I'm trying to learn how to do that because it's hard. Like I like to try new things, and also because brands send me things, so I'm like, you know, it's hard to keep up. But overall it's good. I like this. What else? So yeah, I think that's basically it for this box. They didn't send me a card. Never mind. Yes, they did. It's in the very bottom. So I probably give this away, but I still need to do an unboxing and post it and all of that. So I don't know. So this is the New Year New Skin collection. I think they already had this, but that's how it says right here. So yeah, those are all the ingredients I just showed y'all. Oh look, you can scan this if you want to join their affiliate program, if you're interested. So you can screenshot it in the video with your phone. You go click and then it takes you there in case y'all are interested. If not, then I can send y'all the link where you can get PR from them. It's pretty easy. I think you fill out a form or something. It's on their website, I think. But that's basically it for this brand video. Thank you so much for Replenix. They're very nice and they send you a lot of products. They're very generous. So yeah, I like this brand. I feel like everybody should try at least one thing from them. If you have sensitive skin or not, I feel like this is a pretty good brand overall for every skin type or age. So yeah, I like their brand so far. So I think, yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Okay, so yay, thank you so much for Replenix for gifting me this. They're just great. They're the best. So yeah. Yeah, I think that's it for today. Yeah, I'm gonna do probably a makeup. I haven't done anything makeup related, so I need to force myself to do it today. Even though I did like a bunch of videos right now. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna end it here. Bye.